Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near German Valley to near Mount Morris to near Oregon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Byron, Oregon, and Pecatonic around 8:40 p.m. Winnebago and Stillman Valley around 8:45 p.m. Rockford Airport, and Davis Junction around 8:50 p.m. Loves Park, McChesney Park, and Cherry Valley around 9 p.m. Roscoe and Rockton around 9:05 p.m. South Beloit around 9:10 p.m. Beloit around 9:15 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 108 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 18. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois.